Hello everyone, good day to all. I welcome all my dear kids to today's online live classes. I am Pushpashri, faculty of Button But Tutorials. I'll be handling mathematics for you. So well my dear kids, in the last session we were discussing about the chapter of square and square numbers. In today's session also we'll be discussing the same chapter and I will be solving some of the problems in today's session. So let us move on to today's session. So that is some square and square root where we'll be solving some of the problems. And if you people have missed the last session, please go through the description box and watch the previous class videos. So fine, let's move on to today's class. So this is your exercise 1.2. So in the last session we had completed exercise 1.1, right? So this is exercise 1.2, you can name it as. Okay. So now take down the question. Find the squares for the following numbers. Find the squares for the following numbers without actual multiplication. So we had already solved some problems, right? In the same way in your exercise also the questions are available. So see to the question number 1, 32, question number 2. So we'll just solve one by one, okay? So question number 1 is 32, where you will be finding the squares for 32 without actual multiplication. So what is this actual multiplication? As we had discussed, 30 plus 2. So this is what that we are going to do it here. Okay. Since we had learned this, I'm not going to explain this directly. I'll go with the problems. So that is 30 plus 2 whole square. So now it is 30 plus 2 and again plus 2 over here and 30 plus 2 here. So 30 plus 30, 900 plus 30 into 2. Sorry, here you will be writing 30 square. Since it is the second step, you will be writing 30 into 30, 30 square plus 2 into 30 plus 2 square. So 30 into 30, 900 plus 32s are 16 plus 32s are 60 plus 2 2s are it is 4. So 900 plus 60 plus 60 plus 4 it is 1024. Hope you all know this problem, right? See again 30 plus 2 whole square you will do 30 plus 2 and plus 2 30 plus 2 you are going to write 30 into 30 it is 30 square 30 into 2 2 into 30 2 into 2 it is 2 square 30 square is 900 30 into 2 is 60 2 into 30 is 60 2 square is 4 and if you add all these things you will get 1024 as your answer. Copy down this now. So fine, hope you all copied this problem. We'll just move on to the second question now. So the second question that is you have is 35 square. That is 35. So we are going to convert 35 to 35 square. That is 30 plus 5 whole square. So when you expand this 30 plus 5 and here it will be plus 5 and here it will be again 30 plus 5. So 30 into 30, 30 square plus 30 into 5 plus 5 into 30 plus 5 square. So 30 30s are it is 900 plus 3 5s 35s are 150 plus 150 plus 5 5s are it is 25. So now 900 plus 300, 100, 1000, 1100, 1200. So 1225 is your answer. Got this? Copy down this now. So fine, hope you all copied the second one. I'll just move on for the third one, third question number 3. So question number 3, so that is 86. 86. So we are going to convert that 86 to 86 square, that is 80 plus 6 whole square. So when you expand this 80 plus 6 whole square, it will be 80, 80 plus 6 plus 6, 80 plus 6. Okay. So 80 into 80, 80 square plus 80 into 6 plus 6 into 80 plus 6 square. So now 8 8s are 64. So it will be 6400 plus 8 6 480 plus 480 because 680s are 6 6 are it is 36. So when you add all this number you will get 7396. Got this? Copy down this also. Fine, hope you all copied this. We'll just move on to the fourth question. Question number 4. The whole exercise is like this only. It is very easy. So question number 4, that is 93. 93. So where you will be finding 93 square, that is 90 plus 3 whole square. So where 90, 90 plus 3 and now it is plus 3, 90 plus 3. Okay. So 90 into 90, 9 9s are it is 81. So it is 8100 plus 90, sorry, 90 square. So 90 into 3 plus 3 into 90 plus 3 square. So now 8100 plus 9 3 is it is 21, 270, again 270 plus 9 and your final answer 8649. Okay, you can copy this also now. Copy down. Fine, hope you all copied this. So I'll just give you in the same way in this exercise you have some more problems. I'll just let you know what is those problems. So we have solved 4, right? In the same way you have some more problems. I'll just tell you what are those. Take down the fifth one, 71, and your sixth one, 46. So you can solve this and you can tell me what is the answer that you are going to get for these two numbers. Come on, try it out. Yes, let us solve this now. 71. So if I do that, it will become 71 square. That is 70 plus 1 whole square. So on that time 70, 70 plus 1 plus 1, 70 plus 1. So 70 square it will be plus 70 into 1 plus 1 into 70 plus 1 square. So 7 sevens are 49. plus 70 plus 70 plus 1. So 4970 plus 70. So it will become 50. Copy down this now. Okay, we'll just move on to this. So 46 square. So if you just expand that, you will get 40 plus 6 whole square. So 40 plus 6 plus 6, 40 plus 6. So 40 into 40, 40 square into 40 into 6 plus 6 into 40 plus 6 square. So 4 4 it is 16, 1600, 4 6 240 plus 240 plus 6 6 it is 36, and your final answer is 2000. Got this? Okay, now you can copy down this. For this, your in that second exercise, first part is completed. So, well, copy down this now. Okay. So, fine. Hope you all copied the first part of your exercise. We'll just now move on to the second part. So now second part is about Pythagoras triplet that we had solved. Okay. So here we'll be solving about Pythagoras triplet basically. So question number second main. Write a Pythagorean triplet. Triplet whose one member is that means in the Pythagorean triplet, one of the number that you are going to get, they had given you over here. So by having that information, you have to find out the other Pythagoras triplet. And here when we are finding this triplet, we will be using the general form, that is 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. So see to the question. Question number 1, it is 6. Okay. So where one of the number in this Pythagoras triplet, they are telling it as 6. With the information of having 6, we have to find out the other two triplet. So 6 is your question. So let 2m be 6. Therefore, m is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. That is 2 ones are 2 threes are correct. So therefore m you got it as 3. So now 2m is equal to 6 m square minus 1. So what is m here now? 3 square minus 1. 3 square is 3 threes are it is 9. Minus 1 it is 8. M square plus 1, that is the third form, right? So 3 square plus 1, 3 threes are it is 9, okay, plus 1 is equal to 10. So now 6, 8, 10 is your answer. Therefore, the triplet for 6 is 6, 8 and 10. So again I will just explain you, listen to me. So where you have to find the Pythagoras triplet for the given number, and in that one of the number they have already given you, that is 6. Okay. With the usage of 6, you have to find the other two numbers. Here we'll be using the general form, that is 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. With the usage of this general form, we will be finding out the answer. So let 2m be 6. Therefore, m you have to find out, right? To get m square minus 1, to get m square plus 1. So, m is equal to 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. Therefore, m is equal to 3. Now, 2m is 6, m square minus 1. So, m we got to know it is 3. So, 3 square minus 1, 3 square is 9, 9 minus 1 it is 8. In the same way, m square plus 1, m square is 3 square plus 1. So, 9 plus 1 it is 10. Therefore, the triplet for 6 is now 6, 8 and 10. Got this? So, copy down this now. So fine, hope you all understood the first question. Now I'll just move on to the second question. So let the base be here, okay? 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. So that it will be helpful for you. So now come to the second part, second question. So after 6 you have 14. 1 4. Okay. So 2m is equal to 14. 14. Now I'll be just doing with the solution. M is equal to 14 by 2 is equal to 7. So that's so 2m is equal to 14. M square minus 1. M square is 7 square, right? 7 square minus 1. 7 sevens are it is 49 minus 1 48 and m square plus 1 7 square plus 1 7 sevens are 49 plus 1 it is 50. Therefore, the triplet for what is the number? 14 is, so first number is 14, second number is 48 and 50. Got this? So now you can copy down this, copy down. Fine, hope you all copied this. Now I'll just move on to the third question. So what is the third question now? Question number 3, that is 16. 16. So 2m is equal to 16. Therefore, m is equal to 16 by 2. That is 2 8 it is 16. Correct. So therefore, now, so 2m is equal to 16. M square minus 1 is equal to what is m? 8, right? 8 square minus 1. 8 8 is 64. 64 minus 1 it is 63. Correct. So in the same way, m square plus 1, 8 square plus 1, 8 8 is 64 plus 1 it is 65. So now you got 16, 63, 65. Therefore, the triplet for what is the number? 16. 16 is, so first number is 16, second number is 63, third number is 65. So now you can copy down this. Copy down. Okay. So fine, we hope you all copied this. We'll just move on to the last question. In this exercise, only 2 mains are there. So in the second main, it is the last question. And by this question, your exercise will be completed. Question number 4, it is 18. So as it is, 2m is equal to 18. So, therefore, m is equal to 18 by 2 is equal to 9. So, 2m is equal to 18. M square minus 1 is equal to, m is how much now? 9. 9 square minus 1. 9 9s are 81 minus 1, that is 80. So, now m square plus 1, that is 9 square plus 1. 9 9s are 81 plus 1, that is 82. Therefore, the triplet for 18 is how much it is? So first one is 18, comma 18 and 18 2. So now you can copy down this. Copy down.